Hey guys, welcome back to edition 1. So today I'm going to show you all how to fix center cones on your car. And the reason is when I was driving on highway, the car started vibrating quite heavily. And so I thought probably it's because of the wheel balancing or probably the alignment. And when I got my alignment and balancing done, it still continued to vibrate. So I took it to my workshop, my friend's workshop, and he told me that it's probably because the wheels require center cones. So why wheels require center cones is because right now the car is no longer running on its original factory wheels, which was the 15-inch wheels. I've already upgraded the wheels to a 17-inch rims right now, and he told me that that could be the reason that the car vibrates at high speeds, especially on highways. When I exceed speed of about 120 to 130, the steering wheel starts to vibrate quite heavily. So today I'm going to show you how to fix this and how to measure the proper size of center cones that you may require for your cars. Okay, so first we'll jack the car up. Next we'll remove the wheels. Okay guys, to get the correct center cone size for your car, you got to measure this diameter. You see that? This will be the inner diameter of the center cone, and the one on your wheel, this diameter will be the outer diameter of your center cone. See that? So we'll measure that now. So I do have a caliper here, but you can use a ruler to measure it. Anything that you have, you can just use that. So we'll measure this now. Okay, I'm going to set this at 0 first. You just make sure that it's straight, and it measures 60.1, which will be the inner diameter of the center cone. And for the outer diameter, well, it shows 72.7. Okay guys, the specifications for the hub hole is here on the box. So the outer diameter was 72.7. So we do have a 72.8 here, but the inner diameter is 56, whereas our inner diameter was 60.1. So the closest that we can get is this 73.1 and 60. So it's a CH12, and it's also for a Camry. So this is what I purchased. It's a CH12. There, you can see that's a CH12. Okay, so it fit this now. So sometimes when you're measuring the hub diameter, you'll find some rust here. There's some surface rust here, which may affect on the measurements. So you can use a Scotch-Brite or sandpaper to clean this up on the hub and also on the wheel. So clean this and then you measure, and you might get an accurate measurement. I'm going to fit this now, and before that I'm going to just clean this up a bit. Okay, this surface and this surface. So once you've got the surface cleaned, you can try fitting this in. Try to spin it a bit. It has to go in all around, all the way in. So you try to push this in. If it doesn't go in, then you should use a rubber mallet to hit it in very gently all around evenly till the gap is no longer there. Small wood here. To do it evenly on all sides. Alright, so it's flush now. You can see that there's no any gap here. There's no gap anymore there. I forgot to mention one thing just now. If you had noticed, there are many versions of center cones even for Camry, like CH11, CH12, and then CH23, and on the side here, yeah, CH35. It's also for a Camry, but model 1991. So it is important to measure your hub and your rims first before buying. You need to get the correct measurement before buying this. If not, it's just not going to fit and you're going to waste your money. So make sure to measure it first and then purchase.
So
right?
now we'll fit the wheel in. So there we go. So I have another 3 more wheels to do, and I hope you guys get the idea on how to do it. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.